Dear students, welcome back to PNMRC High School e-learning classes. I am Shalini Mishra, your OC teacher, going to start chapter 3, and the title of the chapter is Business Services 2. In previous chapter we discussed 4 types of services that are helpful in proper operations of business and commerce activities. Now in this chapter we'll discuss in detail about banking services that play very vital role in proper functioning of business and commerce activities. First of all we'll take introduction. Dear students, as global economy is growing day by day, importance of commerce is increasing rapidly. In commerce, trade and banking services are considered as its auxiliary services. Banking services are helpful in the growth of every sector, whether industries or agriculture. The first bank was started in Geneva in 1407. The word bank is derived by Italian word banco. There are many evidences that this service exists by the ancient times. It is said that this word emerged during Roman Empire, where moneylenders known as macella. They do their money lending activities on a long bench called banco, and it is said that the word banco and bank have been derived from this. Now we will study the meaning and main functions of bank. First of all, we'll study the meaning. Meaning. Banking means transacting business with a bank, depositing or withdrawing funds or requesting a loan, etc. Or we can say the institute providing service of banking is called bank. If we want to define it properly, banking has been defined as accepting for the purpose of lending and investment of deposit of money from the public, repayable on demand order or otherwise, and withdrawable by check, draft or otherwise. There are two types of main functions of bank. First, to accept oblique collect deposit. Second, to lend money. First of all, we study about to accept and collect deposit. The main function of bank are accepting deposit and lending money. Accepting deposits can be of 4 types. First, fixed deposits. The deposits mature after a considerable long period like 1 year or more than that. Rate of interest is fixed. The amount deposited cannot be withdrawn before maturity date. Second type of deposit is current account deposit. These are mainly maintained by business community to facilitate frequent transaction with big amounts. Generally, no rate of interest or very low rate of interest is paid on this type of accounts. Third is saving bank account deposit. It is kind of demand deposits which is generally kept by the people for the sake of their safety and security. These facility is given for small saver and normally a small rate of interest is paid. Fourth type of deposit is recurring deposit. In case of recurring deposit, the fixed amount is deposited in a bank every month for a fixed period of time. Second type of main function is lending loans or to lend money. Lending loans can be of many types. First, call loans. These loans are called back at any time. Normally, these loans are taken by bill brokers or stock brokers. Second type of loan is short-term loans. These are sanctioned for a period up to 1 year. Third is medium-term loans. These are sanctioned for the period varying between 1 to 5 years. Long-term loans can be 3 types. First, overdraft. The bank grants overdraft facility to its reliable and respectable depositors. It enables companies, firms and businessmen to withdraw amount over and above their actual balance in their current account. Next, long-term loan can be in the form of cash credit. Under this facility, the bank allows the borrower to withdraw cash against certain security. Next, bills of exchange. The bank provides funds to their customers by purchasing or discounting bills of exchange. The bank charges commission up to the maturity period of bills. Third main function of bank is to invest. The bank cannot get benefit if it is not able to invest and lend the amount of the capital and deposit of bank. An important work of bank is to invest this amount at some secure place and with proper calculation. The bank has to invest some percentage of total deposits in the government securities like government shares or any kind of bond. According to the rules of RBI, on which the rate of interest is low, it is inevitable for a bank to get instant cash by withdrawing investment during emergency or some accidental situation. A bank majority invests in government securities or in other financially capable units. Fourth main function of bank is to do interbanking transaction. One of the main functions of bank is interbanking transaction. Every bank sometimes faces shortage of money for a very short duration of time, even less than 24 hours. At this time, unused money in a bank is provided to the needy bank who are facing cash crisis. This arrangement is made by an agency appointed by the RBI. In this way, the process of lending or borrowing money is completed through the central bank. The lender or the borrower does not come into direct contact with each other. The problem of the bank for that particular time is solved by the RBI. Thus, when the bank gets the demanded amount instantly, it is called call money. The interest has to be paid on the received amount. This rate of interest is determined on the basis of demand and supply and is called as call money rate. Dear students, there are many subsidiary functions of bank that we will study in our next video. Thank you.